When you create an HTML file, there is specific code that gets created right off the bat. The first thing that happens is on line 1, telling the computer and the browser, this is a document type of HTML, which just means I'm going to be coding in HTML, so start reading in HTML. The next thing that happens is the structure of the entire page, the opening of this HTML tag. And you can see that I can collapse it using this arrow over here on the left on line 2, but you can see that it opens on line 2 and closes on line 11. This just tells the computer, again, I am creating an HTML file. Everything inside of these 2 HTML tags is what I want you to start reading and understanding to develop the website and the web page. The next 2 tags that you have are the head tag, starting on line 3 and closing on line 6, which contains a meta tag and a title tag. And then you have a body tag, which starts on line 8 and ends on line 10 in this case. The head tag and the body tag are very different. We talked about this already, how your head tag contains everything that your head says inside, and your body tag contains everything that you want the person to see. You aren't saying out loud, I'm waving my hand, the body is just doing it. So what's happening up in your head is it's sending a signal to your hand to start waving. That's what goes in the head versus what we actually see manifest on the body. What you want the user to see is going to go in the body. What you want the head to control is going to go in the head. So a great example is like, if I want the person to see a heading 1 that says hello world, that's going to sit in the body. If I want it to be red, that's an element of hello world and the H1, so that would sit in the head. If I want the page to load a certain way, that would go in the head, not in the body. You have certain different things that are going to appear in both of these, and the title tag is a great example. So let's go ahead and go to a website like behance.net. Behance.net is great for having all these different features that you have here, but where's the title? The title is actually up here. Notice this tab is not on the page. It's not what we want the user to see. But when I hover over this, it says search projects, photos, videos, logos, illustrations, and branding, and then it says more. That's the title of this page. So if I want this tab to say something different, I would need to go into the title tag inside the head and change it. So we're going to go ahead and label this your last name, favorite foods. That is going to be what appears on the tab of our website. I'm then going to see that this asterisk appears right here because I have not saved this. I'm going to hit Control S and it will save it, or go to File Save, and that will also save it, removing the asterisk and saving my changes. We'll talk about meta tags in Design 2, but for now, just know that they help the computer to understand more about the background of this page. The next thing we're going to do is bring in the coding of our layout into the body tag.